Hello and welcome to math lesson number 19. So first of all guys, can we all wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
And now it's time for our meditation sequence. So let's find a nice seat, keep us straight back. 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. Just concentrate on our breathing as our chest rises and then falls. Chest goes up, chest goes down. Final few breaths now. And then slowly open our eyes and come back to the room. Feel okay, guys? Nice and relaxed. Come back to the room. Okay, so what's next after our meditation? Let's have a stretch. So stand up and push in our chairs. And let's, okay Pat? And now let's give our arms a shake. Stop. Let's shake a little bit more. Stop. Hands on hips. Let's wiggle from side to side. Side to side and stop. Side to side. Side to side and stop. Forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards and stop. Backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards and stop. And now let's go round and round. Round and round and stop. And next we'll go back the other way. So we give our body a full workout, stretch both ways and stop. And now we're going to finish with 5 claps, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 6. 5. Okay, very good guys. Now we're ready for our lesson. So, in maths, the last couple of lessons, what have we been learning how to do?
Subtraction.
Excellent. Subtraction. We're going to continue with this lesson, subtraction. But this time, we're not going to use figures or digits. What will we use if we don't use figures? But what do we use? Okay, if we don't use numbers, we have to use words. So what we're going to do today, are you ready? How do we spell subtraction? S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Subtraction, and we're going to do, ready? O-R-D-P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. We're going to do subtraction word problems. We have the S here because we'll do more than one problem. Okay, so first of all, Teacher Wes will do a word problem on the board. Are you ready? Okay, so Teacher Wes has 57. What does Teacher Wes have? Strawberries. Okay, Teacher Wes, how do we spell strawberries? S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-I-E-S. Strawberries. Very good, Dan. So the first number we need to remember is 57. So I've got 57 strawberries. But for breakfast, I eat 12. 12 strawberries we're taking away. Not adding, we're taking away. Then, for lunch, I eat 21 strawberries. How many left? So let's read together first of all. Are you ready? Teacher Wes has 57 strawberries. For breakfast, I eat 12 strawberries. For lunch, I eat 21 strawberries. How many left? So what do we need to do? We need to take 57 minus 12 minus 21. So what's the answer? 7 minus 2 is 5, minus 1, 4, 50 minus 10 is 40, minus 20. So see, I had 57 strawberries, but then I eat 12 for breakfast. And then I eat 21 for lunch. So now I have 24 strawberries. And maybe I'll eat some more later. This is what we call subtraction word problems. Okay guys, well done. Now we're going to have a look at our TV because we have a song and then we have a PowerPoint presentation. So guys, all turn your chairs so that you can see the screen and we'll have a look. Okay, so first of all guys, we've got our pirate song. Let's all sing along together. with a pirate. Yo ho ho, you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference.
Ahoy, mateys. It's time to do some subtraction stories on a pirate ship. Once upon a time, there were 5 shipmates. I made 2 of them walk the plank. How many shipmates did I have left? Let's see.
5 minus 2 equals 3.
I had 3 shipmates left.
Excellent.
All right, it's time for a new story. One day, I had 3 pirate helpers. I got rid of 1 swashbuckling helper and made him walk the plank. How many pirate helpers did I have left? Let's see. 3 minus 1
Equals 2. Excellent.
I had 2 helpers left. One more story. Once upon a time, my ship had 5 pirate parrots.
5
Four
pirates.
of them irritated me with their squawking, and I made them fly in the plank. How many parrots did I have left? Let's think.
5 minus 4 equals 1.
1. I had 1 parrot left. When you
Subtract with a pirate. Yo ho ho, you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference.
Ahoy, my buccaneers! This time I'll show you how I subtract me pirate belongings. Once upon a time, I had 8 scary pirate hats. But drat, that sea-blowing wind blew away 4 of my hats. How many hats were left over? Think it over. 8 minus 4 equals 4.
Excellent, guys.
4 hats left over. Next story. One morning, I was looking carefully at my 3 pirate treasure maps. Then I realized that one of them was stolen by some terrible landlubber. Tell me, Timbers, how many treasure maps did I have left over? Use your brains. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 treasure maps left.
2 treasure maps left.
Last story. One night, I had 1 big treasure chest with lots of gold and jewels. Then, after I had looked away, the 1 treasure chest had disappeared.
1 minus 1, 0. None.
1 minus 1 equals nothing.
Nothing.
I had 0 treasure chests left.
When you subtract with a pirate, you ho ho ho, you will say. When you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference. Excellent, guys. This math word problem. There are 15 girls and 9 boys in the playground. How many more girls are there than boys? There are 15 girls and 9 boys.
It's 24.
No, we're not adding down. Take away. So, yes. So 15 minus 9 equals 6. There are 6 more girls than boys. Because 15 is 6 more than 9. 15 minus 9 equals 6. And we'll see here the working out. See, 15 minus 9 equals 6. So there are 6 more girls than boys. And now we have some vocabulary. When you subtract, this is some of the words you will use. So shall we all speak together after teacher? Ready? Minus.
Minus.
Less.
Less.
Difference.
Difference.
How many more?
How many more?
How many left?
How many left?
Decreased by.
Decreased by.
More than.
More than.
Less than.
Less than.
Fewer than.
Fewer than.
Remain.
Remain.
Take away.
Take away.
Faster.
Faster.
Larger.
Larger.
Shorter.
Shorter.
Slower.
Slower.
And higher.
Higher.
This is some of the vocabulary you will use when you're doing math equations, particularly subtraction. So let's have a look at one more. Ready? The animal shelter has 52 dogs and 14 cats that need home. Find the difference in the amount of dogs and cats.
38.
So 52 is the number of dogs. So if we take 14 from 52, we have 38. So there are 38 more dogs than cats. Okay? Because 52 minus 14 equals 38. And the last one. We'll read together. An ostrich. Does anybody know what an ostrich is? No. It's a large feathered bird. Same as an emu. So let's read together. An ostrich weighs about 300 pounds.
Weighs about 300 pounds.
And an emu weighs about 120 pounds.
Weighs about 120 pounds.
How much less
How much less
does an emu weigh? Does an emu weigh than an ostrich? So if we have 300 and we take away 120,
180.
excellent. An emu weighs 180 pounds less than an ostrich. Ostrich is very big. Emu is littler, smaller. Okay? Very well done, guys. Round of applause. Hello, welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the pirate song and also the PowerPoint presentation about how to do math word problems. And we're going to do some together shortly, but first of all, we'll do our
Sequence.
stretch sequence. So stand up and push your chairs inside. Ready? Let's go high to the sky. High as we can. Can we go tippy toe high? Tippy toe high. And then let's go down to our toes. Down to our toes. And stay there for a couple of seconds. Give our bums a little shake. Do, 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 do. And now we'll go back up high to the sky. And while we're there, can we go left and right? Left and right. And then back to the middle and tippy toes. Very good. And now we'll just flop down to our toes. And then rise back up to here. Q, how many star jumps? 5. Okay, we'll do 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many claps, Preo? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. So now it's time for a flashcard activity. Ready? What we need to do, first activity, we'll go into pairs. So teams of 2. We have 9 students. So that means we have an odd number. So we'll have 3 teams of 2 and 1 team of 3. Okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The flashcard has 2 math word problems. So what the students need to do in their pairs or in their 3, read the math word problem and answer it. So give each pair or each team of 3 1. And give your students around 5 minutes to complete this activity and help them if they need. But first of all, what we will do, ready? We will read together. Ready? Mrs. Mary is running a drama club. Last year she had 454 children who joined the club, and this year she has 180. What is the difference in the amount of children going to the club? So the first question, we need to take the number 454 and minus 180. Ready, guys? Question number 2. A bus is traveling with 45 people on board. Guys, practice speaking first, okay? Ready? A bus is traveling with 45 people on board. At the first stop, 7 people get off. At the second stop, 10 people get off. At the third stop, 6 people get off. How many people left on the bus? So you need to take 45 and minus 7, 10 and 6. Okay? So guys, now you can start to work on your questions. Give students around 5 minutes. Once you're done, this one's not right yet. 45 minus 7 minus 10 and then minus 6. Yes, very good, Prel. Hello, welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the flashcards activity. They had to work out the problems of the two math words equations. The first answer, 274. And the second answer, 22. So now, on to the final activity of the lesson, worksheet. This one is to be done individually. So print off enough worksheets for each student and give them one each. Ask them to write their names on the top of the worksheet. You're welcome. You're welcome. And then there are 4 questions, 4 math word problems. Ask your students to work their way through the 4 math word problems. You're welcome. And obviously, teachers, just monitor the class. Any questions, any help your students need, obviously, you help them. And give students around 15 minutes to complete, because there are 4 math word problems. Okay? Let me know. Okay? You have question? So remember, what you need to do is take the second number away from the first number. Subtraction means take away. Anything you don't understand, anything you want me to explain, let teacher Wes know. And do your equations, do your working out or your borrowing on the paper. If that's how you want to do the equation, show your working out. Everybody very busy. Okay. So this is 62, not 32. 62. That's 6, not 3. So 62, 248, minus 32, 889, okay? Not 32. So 8 minus 9, can we do? Exactly, so 9. 3 minus 8, we cannot do. There you go. First one, 29,359. So now, each one. Yeah, now you need to do the answer. So this number minus this number is what number? Like see? So now you have to work out. Okay? So let's see. So 0 minus 8 we cannot do. We cannot borrow from 0. So what we need to do, 10 here, okay? So now we need to borrow. Make that to 9 and this to 10. So now 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 5, no. So we need to take one more from here. 12 minus 5, 7. 3 minus 0, 5 minus 4. Okay, so you see, if the next column is 0, we go to the next column. Excellent. So when you're finished, guys, let me know. Okay, let's do it together. So we've got 34,488 and 9,745. So we need to. So 8 minus 5.
8 minus 0.
No. Okay. 8 minus 5.
3.
8 minus 4.
4.
4 minus 7. We can't do, can we?
This.
So we borrow. So that becomes 3. That becomes 1.
2 minus
4.
7.
7. 3 minus 9. We cannot do.
This.
Are you sure? Yeah. Number 3, check again. Have a look at number 3 again. Pang pon. Okay, Ned, high five. Just number 3. We'll do it together. Okay, so what have we got? We've got 54, 300. We need to get rid of 40, 5, 8, 8. Okay, so 0 minus 8, we cannot do. But here is 0 too. So what do we do?
There.
So we drop 3 to 2, 10 here. And then we have to drop 10 to 9. So 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 5, we cannot do. 13 minus 5, 8. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
This one?
No.
No. This one?
Yeah.
Yay! High five. High five. Excellent. You're finished. High five. High five. Hello and welcome back to class. We hope your students have enjoyed working out their math word problems. And you know, if they're not quite finished, they can help each other. The students who finish first can help their friends who are still working on it, like the guys did in our class. So today, guys, what did we learn about? Subtraction word problems. Okay? Subtraction means take away.
Take away.
Yes. always take away. Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Can we all turn and wave and say goodbye to our friends on camera? Bye. See you again next time.